We visited IFA Berlin, one of the oldest technology fairs where you can see the latest gadgets in one place. To tour the entire fair you need a full day and a lot of strength in your legs. First we visited the Samsung intersection. There Galaxy A90 5G was introduced. It was the only device introduced there. At Panasonic booth we saw the real Batmobile vehicle, which was kind of cool. There were a lot of professional mirrorless video production systems that attracted our attention. From innovations, it was interesting to see Panasonic transparent OLED TV, although it seems more like a concept, not something that we would use at home. We had a look at the new mice and keyboards from Logitech, and most interesting to us, we tried out the new Galaxy Fold 5G that we bring in a special video. Also, we visited the DJI booth, looked at Philips monitors and TVs, tried out the brand new 6.1-inch Xperia 5 and the new Sony A66000 mirrorless that is actually APS-C side version of the A7 Mark III. It has a bigger grip and all the advanced functions like the A7 III. But most of all, we were impressed by the huge walls completely covered by screen, which is one of the trends in the future of smart home. Many at IFA focused on gaming, an industry worth over $80 billion. And we love seeing Logitech products, and we found some interesting mouse concept as well as the new MX Master 3 with the new ergonomically adjusted keys that should offer even faster operation in advanced programs like Photoshop and PowerPoint. There was no novelty at the popular Chinese DJI booth. Everything already had been seen, but it was interesting to see the DJI products in one place. They're an example of superior made in China quality. Philips delighted with a very creative and entertaining team of actors using Philips home products, and we cast our eyes on the latest 49-inch monitor. We are honored to have attended. The IFA fair will be attended by over 2,000 visitors this year and around 2,000 exhibitors.